Oh my god, I felt it on my hair. You gotta get in there, you know? We'll add that later. Or not. Later, yes. Thank you. I wasn't gonna say anything if she did, but I was like, alright. Lemon is just what I need, you know? My body doesn't have a choice. Look at this giant piece of lard. If I'm not seafood boils, if something has lemon, I just overdo it. I always ask for a container of lemon. Let's start eating the bones. What do we do? Suck the juice out. Then you see if I can chew it. That one's not chewable. Piece of fat. Another piece of fat. Look. Can't see it. The meat's so soft. Wow. I ate too fast. Hold on. Give me a moment. So good. But anyways, for the Mexican food tomorrow, I chose, it's like steak on top of potatoes. That's what I chose. But I work a half day, so I might just bring it home and eat with y'all. I don't really eat lunch there. If I do, it's on the job. Like, I don't take a lunch. Oh, this is a piece of fat. I separated it. Why is the fat so good?